Hello, children. I hope all of you are fine and in good health. Let's get set to listen to this week's class. By the way, what did I teach you last week? We studied about the onset of monsoon, where I said that the monsoon arrives at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula generally by the first week of June. Then I said that it is proceeding into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch, it reaches Mumbai about 10 days later, approximately on the 10th of June. Clear? Then I mentioned that the Bay of Bengal branch also advances rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. Then this Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon, they merge together in the northwestern part of the Ganga plains. Then important point, Delhi receives the monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. That is, 29th of June. So by the first week of July, Western Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Eastern Rajasthan, they receive the monsoon, and by mid-July, it reaches Himachal Pradesh. So long I was repeating what we had studied earlier, right, last week. Now let's move forward and talk about retreating monsoon. Children, this retreating monsoon, it is also known as northeast monsoon. I will do a comparative study of both advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon for you. Children, retreating monsoon, it starts from December and it ends in February, whereas the southwest monsoon is from the month of June to September. I told you approximately 3 months. Clear, everybody? First difference I just now told you. Now, does retreating monsoon have any branches? No, it does not have any branches, whereas the southwest monsoon, it has two branches. Next point of difference is that the southwest monsoon, it's a major portion of the annual rainfall in India is due to this type, whereas minor portion of the annual rainfall in India is due to the northeast monsoon or retreating monsoons. Clear? You and me are reading the lesson about the climate of India, the retreating monsoon or post-monsoon, or we also call it as the transition season. Let me also keep you informed about this term burst of monsoon. The duration of monsoon, as I said earlier, it is between 100 to 120 days, and from early June to mid-September it continues. Around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and it continues constantly for several days, and this is termed as the burst of monsoon. When the rainfall increases suddenly and it continues constantly for several days, it is referred to as burst of monsoon. Then what about the break of the monsoon? The monsoon rain takes place for a few days only in break of monsoon. Break of monsoon is also characterized by rainless intervals. Clear, children? You must know the difference between burst and break of monsoon.